my Jesus, my Savior.
Good morning mga tol. We are here in the Suzuki showroom de Radval. This is the 2023 Suzuki Jimny. Oh my god. Alright guys, the long wait is over. Ang engine nito is 1.5L, 4-cylinder, 16 valves. Ang displacement nito is 1,462 cubic centimeter. Ang maximum power nito is 75 kilowatt or 101 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. Exterior features include LED headlights with daytime running lights, fog lamp front and rear, a black bumper and silver garnish with engraved Jimny GLX. It uses honeycomb black grille, black side bumper, glossy side mirrors, body color door handles, safety side support silver plate. Tire size nito is 195/80 R15. It uses 15 inches aluminum wheels. High mount stop lamp. Sunod ang sulod guys. Inani kanindot ang sulod sa susunod. Ang price ng sasakyan nito is abot ng 78,000 dirhams including VAT. Prices are subject for changes without notice. Top titter. So, inani nga style guys. Imura ning birahon. Inana nasa dayon ka. Taas ang iyang interiors. Napod siya. Ang GLX po ang highest variant ng Jimny dito sa UAE. Ang gross vehicle weight nito is 1,435 kg. Ang curb weight nito is 1,110 kg. Ang trunk capacity per liters is 85. Ang iyang door panel sa likod, mura na itsura niya. Nakabisik. Ang dimension nito, ang length is 3,625 mm, ang width is 1,645 mm, ang height nito is 1,725 mm, ang wheelbase nito is 2,250 mm. Doon ang likod guys. Nasa window sport. Then yung inside. Butangan sa documents pero wala siya bottle holders. Siya only plain black chrome door handles. Public seats. Ang tanong nito kung ABS na ba ito? Yes, ABS na po itong 2023 Jimny. Ang air condition nito is auto. Mayroon itong 6 airbags. Mayroon itong cruise control. Mayroon itong brake assist function, central door locking, electronic stability program. Mayroon itong power mirrors, power steering, power windows, remote control door locks, instrument panel. Alright. Maniyahang 2 high, 4 high, 4 low. O diba? Pang off-road din siya nga design guys. Manual transmission. Dako na po lang yung screen. Digital audio broadcast. radio, MP3, speakers, DAB plus USB, socket Bluetooth, navigation system, weather, view camera. Grabe, estig na tong Jimny na to. Kung sa batanganan din eh. Gray interiors and black the bottom. Apple sa speakers. Good afternoon guys. If you are new to my channel, please click that like, subscribe, and press that notification bell for you to notify. Hanggang sa muli. Bye bye.